And now Thierno Diallo will tell us a little bit more about the small cell station.
Yes, hello Marianne, thank you very much. So we'll talk a bit about small cell, but the reality is that we're focusing a lot on workflow enhancement and workflow automation, and small cell is a perfect use case for that. What we aim to do now is to be more and more part of the business process and part of the operational process. And small cell is very interesting because the problem that a lot of operators are going to face is not really based on technology. Technology is something that we master very well. It's very much a question of how do we deploy these things faster and easier because of the quantity that we have. And these are just two examples of small cells that are just deployed for added capacity coverage. And typical operators are looking at deploying 5,000 to 50,000. So the process that you were using to deploy 500 cannot be used for 5,000. You're simply not going to be able to make it. And around this, we've basically decided to create a solution which leverages most of the components that we have from a bricks perspective. So really the centralized automated and centralized automated activation process.
And any other product that you would like to talk about among the ones that you will be presenting here?
So we'll focus a lot on the workflow because that's really where the key problem is, and how we can make it more streamlined, more automated, easier to use also. For example, a customer can basically leverage the power of portable devices such as this iPad, for example, to basically go ahead and have a full-fledged activation system on this. So technician doesn't necessarily need to carry anything. Again, hinting at making the process of activating and monitoring much faster. So we're leveraging these components, third-party devices. We're also leveraging things such as the NetHawk analyzers as part of the entire story, how to make sure that the backhaul is ready before you dispatch someone. Then when you dispatch someone, make him work as efficiently as fast as possible, and then ultimately make sure that you can monitor and get performance at all times.
Thank you very much, Diallo.